In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for budget tracking, whether you're managing personal expenses or handling a project budget at work. Monday.com offers a dynamic and flexible platform to keep everything organized and easily accessible. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be set up with a custom budget board that caters specifically to your needs. Let's dive right into creating our budget board. First things first. You'll want to add a new board to your workspace. To do this, look over to the left panel of your screen, which is where you'll find the plus icon. It's conveniently located next to the name of your current workspace, so you can't miss it. When you click on that plus icon, you'll get a few options. We need to focus on hovering over the board option. This area opens up another choice for us. Start with Template. Selecting this option will lead you directly into the Template Center. The Template Center is a treasure trove of pre-designed options that can save you a ton of time setting up your new board from scratch. What you want to do here is to search specifically for budget. This search will streamline your options down to templates that can help you manage your financial tracking effectively. Once you find the budget template that suits your needs, just go ahead and click on Use Template. This will automatically populate the basic structure of your board. Now, once you have your template set up, you'll notice that it comes pre-filled with placeholder text and data. These are simply meant to guide you. But for this board to truly serve your budgeting needs, you're going to want to delete and replace all that placeholder information with your own data. This might include adding specific categories that are unique to your financial tracking or adjusting the metrics it automatically tracks to better align with your personal or business budget goals. And that's all there is to it. With just those few intuitive steps, you have a tailor-made budget board on Monday.com, ready to assist you in achieving a more organized approach to your finances. Remember, having a visual layout of your budget can significantly enhance your ability to monitor spending and savings patterns. Plus, Monday.com's interface makes it so much easier to share this information with team members or family, ensuring that everyone's on the same page and up to date with the latest financial insights. I hope this tutorial has helped simplify your budgeting process. Thanks for following along. And feel free to explore and customize your board further as you become more comfortable with the platform's capabilities. Happy budgeting!